kind of blows my mind. I just can't bring myself to do it. Is someone getting towed? Thank you so much to CVS Pharmacy for sponsoring this video. Sometimes I just feel like a bottomless pit of wanting to eat. You're kidding me. Good morning, you guys. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I thought we would do a little study with me. I have my finals coming up. If you guys don't know, I'm a senior in college. I have one more semester left, so this will be my second to last ever finals that I'll ever have to do. Ever. And I'm so excited to not have to do them anymore. Today might be the day where I start making study guides. I think that is probably the #1 priority that I have going on. I have 3 finals. Sorry, the way that I'm literally getting distracted doing something right now. I have 3 finals, and 2 of those finals are essay finals. So I need to really learn this stuff again that I completely forgot about. I'm excited to take you guys along with me. It's really hot in my room. I'm sorry. This is cute, but I'm just sweating. We have a couple things that we need to get done before we start studying for finals. I have a couple work things, and then I'm gonna head over to CVS Pharmacy. Thank you so much to CVS Pharmacy for sponsoring this video. Love them. I've done a video with them in the past. My mom texted me and she was like, "You did a sponsorship with CVS?" And I was like, "Yes, Mom, I know." I'm really excited to head over there. So it's just gonna be a fun, productive day. We're gonna get a lot done. Part of me wants to start by making a to-do list, because you know me best. We have made it to CVS Pharmacy. I'm in the parking lot right now. This location that I'm at is actually a CVS Health Hub. If you guys have not heard of Health Hubs, I'm going to tell you a little bit about them, but you guys should definitely check them out. They're so amazing. These CVS Health Hubs have been popping around all around Phoenix, and they've been so convenient for me in between doctor's visits. I try to take my health very seriously, especially after last year. Having something like the CVS Health Hub has been really incredible. CVS Health Hubs can connect you with doctors, health plans, and more digital tools within the CVS Health. CVS Health Hub has so many great offers, including expanded Minute Clinic services. They offer services to help you screen, diagnose, and treat patients in store or through virtual visits. They can help you with things like sleep apnea assessments. Also, in conjunction with the Minute Clinic, they can help you with minor injuries, illnesses, immunizations. There's also personalized support for patients with chronic conditions and for seniors as well. This is really great because it complements your primary care provider visits and also helps avoid unnecessary ER visits. They also help connect customers to clinical services and care management programs. In Phoenix, CVS Health Hub locations have recently started launching nutrition services. This is really great if you're trying to manage or looking into preventing chronic diseases linked to nutrition. They have wellness and nutrition screenings, counseling services, coaching, medication management, body composition tests and analysis, resting metabolic rate measurements, and metabolic health tests. Why do I want to do that metabolic health test so badly? All of this is so convenient that it's at your local CVS Health Hub. I think it's seriously so great. If you guys haven't checked them out, you guys can check the description for more information and a link to find your nearest CVS Health Hub. We're back home. I just ate lunch. Again, if you guys want to check out CVS Health Hub, I will have a link in the description so you guys can find the one closest to you. Definitely go check it out. I highly recommend. Like I said, I just had lunch and it didn't really fill me up. Disappointed. I ate the entire thing. And I'm still hungry. Sometimes I just feel like a bottomless pit of wanting to eat. You see, my issue here is that I haven't started studying at all today, and I don't want to. I have not had any motivation to do anything recently, and I just don't want to study. I just don't want to do any of it. I just feel like I want to lay in bed and do nothing all day, but that's not how life works. Wah. Anyways, I need to do something really quickly because this has been driving me insane on my computer and I just need to turn it off. I'm turning off the notifications for my calendar. I don't want to know it. I don't. What I need to do now is start a study guide. So I have 3 exams. I have one Tuesday, one Wednesday, one Thursday. The first one is like an all memorization type of exam. So I need to make a study guide, make a Quizlet, do all that. I just don't want to. I just can't bring myself to do it. But he sent us out a study guide video. I just don't want to do it. I'm gonna make myself. My biggest issue at the moment is I could really procrastinate this. Like, I don't have to do this right now. I could wait until the very last second and do it. And I could probably do it well at the very last second. However, that's just not what I should do. Just being honest with you guys, I feel like people are always like, how are you so productive? I'm not always that productive. There's just days where I'm like, I literally could lay in bed and watch Gossip Girl all day. And there's days that I do. There's days where I force myself to do stuff, literally forcing myself. I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna go out kicking and stomping. This is a 20-minute video? You're kidding me. I watched everything that's on the study guide and now I'm just transferring things from my notes to the study guide. It's going well. I'm just hitting a wall. Like, the whole theme of this video is I don't want to do it. I just don't want to do it. It's good though that like a lot of these things are kind of like ringing a bell to me. I'm like, oh yeah, I remember this now, instead of being like, I have no idea what that is, because I'm sure there are things that I'm like, I have no idea what this is. I'm gonna keep working. I don't know what it is, but I'm losing my mind. So I decided that I'm going to make my to-do list for next week, for my finals week, because I don't know what it is, but like the idea that I can still procrastinate is like very tempting, you know? I shouldn't. Ugh. I'm laying in my bed now because I wanted to be comfy. I actually did quite a few things off camera for my study guide. So I'm about to get ready. It is 5:40. It literally looks like it's 9 p.m. out there. Arizona doesn't even do daylight savings. So I'm like, what is happening here? I actually had really fun plans with friends and then they all canceled on me and bailed. So I am a little upset about it, but my boyfriend said he'd hang out with me. So at least there's one. Anyways, I thought I'd give you guys a little life update because obviously I do a lot of college week in my life vlogs. They're always a little bit back, so this video will be uploaded closer to real time than those vlogs are. Does that make any sense? But I wanted to just give you guys a little life update while I'm getting ready. I love talking to you guys. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, do that because that's really where I talk to you guys a lot and I can update you guys in real time. I pretty much only have 1 week of school left and that's my finals week. Wow. After that, I have 1 semester of college left. Kind of blows my mind. I can't believe that that's actually happening. I just remember being a freshman in college and like seeing the seniors and being like, oh, that's sad. They have to grow up soon. Good thing that's not me. And now I'm like, oh, this is me. I think that also might be why I've been procrastinating. I saw this thing that the reason you're procrastinating, you're avoiding something. And I think for me, I'm avoiding like really finally going into this next phase of my life. I finished getting ready. Tonight's not really going as I planned. I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere. I'm just sitting here editing a video. Oh well. But I think I'll just end the video here because what else am I doing? Nothing. Thank you so much again to CVS Pharmacy for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to check out your local CVS Health Hub, I'll have a link in the description for you guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.